Hi and welcome, I'm here at Westfield in Stratford. I have been told there's something really cool and new inside that Westfields. Bandai Namco invited me along to check out their new gashapon pop-up store. Of course they have been going to events such as MCM, and of course recently we found the whole gashapon area in that supermarket in Croydon.
The new gashapon pop-up is in the food court, right next to the McDonald's, as you can see. The first thing I found was this really cool display, and it turned out some of the keychains were still in the gashapon pods. I just love little details like this, why these places are so cool. So it's time to see what gashapon was actually in this pop-up. Rumour has it these keychains actually have more frames than Blue Lock Season 2. Trust me, was not expected to see a Magical Dream Melody gashapon here. Nice to see Sandland getting some more love. Wow, Precure. This is a show that really never took off in this country. I think there was a bandai a few years ago called Glitter Force, but it's nice to see there was actually merchandise of it. Wow, another Magical Melody gashapon. Their fans are going to eat well today. Nice to see more Dragon Ball gashapon. Funny, the first time I came to the cross store I was saying how few there was. Oh, here's more of the Tamagotchi ones. And even Ultraman making an appearance. I like this one. It was like a mini lottery, so you could get anything from a pouch to, I think, some tape. They're themed to Japanese buses. Yeah, it's nice to see a good variety. You may have heard of a little gem called Naruto. Yeah, not many people have heard of it. For a second I thought these were Animal Crossing ones, turns out they're not. Nice to see a lot of Tamagotchi love. There's even a pop-up store now at the cross store, so if you want Tamagotchi stuff, make sure to go there. It's nice to see Bandai giving Tamagotchi so much love. I still remember when Yokai Watch was meant to be the Pokemon killer. Hey look, it's the Sea Dog VA gashapon. Nice to see Miffy get some representation. Of course the cross store actually did a pop-up with Miffy and even got some Eater at one point. Nice to see a Demon Slayer section, and they got these bigger ones that normally cost more coins, but they actually are really nice quality. Of course, it being Bandai, we had to have some Gundam. Unfortunately, there was no Richard Mercury here, which was kind of shocking. Wow, you can even get mirrors in these gashapon. What will they think of next? Bugs? Hey, they do. I like these ones. These are mini replicas of real pens in Japan. I like the fact they've even gone as far as recreating the packaging. Of course you're going to have Hello Kitty in the gashapon section. I think it's the law. If there's gashapon, there's got to be Hello Kitty. Wow, even gashapon of cartons. What will they think of next? Nice to see a new Kirby set here. Yes, this is really a set of animals sitting in camping seats. Totally random, but I do love it. What next? A gashapon with a gashapon? Oh wait, they've done that. Do love this Digimon set for the Digimon movies. Fun fact, those first 3 movies were actually all put together, and that's what we got the American Digimon, or the English Digimon movie. These 3 movies and Anaconda short, which yeah, we will not talk about. Oh, and by the way, if you ever do get the chance, please do check out Digimon Last Evolution. It's like the true finale to the franchise. You will cry, that's all I'm going to say. I must say, I have seen the snow globes before, but I've not seen the Sailor Moon one. It's nice to see such variety in these stores. Shockingly no Holo Live here, but they do have holostars. Of course, this is Yago's passion project, so it's really nice to see them getting some representation. And it's nice to see even Shin-chan get some love in this Hello Kitty Shin-chan collaboration. I do actually have one of the keychains of this already. Right, a very nice collection of gashapon there, but I have to make the decision which ones am I going to get today. I will say these baby token machines are so cute. They're a lot smaller than the ones they have at all their other stores. Bango Nankai were actually nice enough to give me some free tokens today, so what gashapon did I end up picking? The first one I went with was the mini pen ones. I just found these really adorable. This is the sort of thing I just love about gashapon, these really random ones. So which one did we end up with? Time to find out. I ended up with the Pocas pack. I really like this one because it was a whole pack and you can see at the back they have a pen. I'm half tempted to actually see if these are actually right or not. I did think about getting the Precure one just to how random it is, and I do like the little figures because they're normally quite high quality. But there was actually another franchise I saw around the corner that I actually hadn't had a gachapon of yet, and I actually really wanted it. And yeah, they have the Kaiju number 8 set. These are minifigures. I believe these were 3 tokens each, and let's see which one we ended up with. This is one of these sets that all the characters are really cool, but I was really happy with this one. I ended up with the Kaiju from Kaiju number 8. As you can see, a really nice high quality figure. Especially if you don't have a lot of room, if you want a lot of these are just really cool to display. Especially I'm just running out of room, and it's just really nice to actually have room to display stuff. So what did I think of the gachapon store?
I think that's a good idea. I've been told by the people at Bandai that store should be there for a good long while. There is no date on it ending, so please do make sure you come and check it out. Of course they had stuff like the holostar stuff. So yeah, it's weird to think we're living in a timeline where you can buy holostar stuff in a UK shopping centre. Absolutely wild. Well anyway, I'm heading back off home now. Anyway, don't forget, we're Anime UK and we take a British look at the world of anime. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more anime adventures. Until next time, see you soon, bye.